Total 7 action items I'm going to provide for you. At least one action item better to implement. Can I? That's all. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So my question is, yes, better to take action item 1. Action item 1. Find your biggest how problem. Find your biggest how problem. How problem. Biggest how problem. Okay. Everyone having n number of problems. Everyone having n number of problems. So find your biggest how problem. How problem. Okay. Write down one goal you are struggling with because you are trying to do everything yourself. There is one goal. You are struggling with that goal because you are doing everything on yourself. Okay, like, sir, example, student, improve communication skills, or employee complete project faster, or business owner get more customers. So more customers. Okay, like, so here what you require to do is, so I'm trying to do this activity myself, but the right who can help me faster. Identify that the right who. Your growth starts when you stop carrying everything alone. Remember this one. So find your biggest how problem. So where you are doing everything yourself. So this is the how problem I'm struggling. Maybe you are learning, maybe your project completion, maybe in your business bringing more number of customers, anything, man. So find how, where you are doing everything yourself. Any such type of thing is there? Sir, I'm struggling like anything because I'm doing everything on myself. Like, at least one thing got struck in your mind. If someone is there, then my life is going to be simplified. If someone is there, my time is going to be saved, my energy is going to be saved. This is the how problem I'm facing like anything.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rajiv.
Yes, sir.
All the remaining people, at least one.
Yes, sir. Recently also one activity, sir, in office. So I just delegated the whole thing. Earlier, my thing is that I used to only do.
Yeah.
Nowadays, my mindset is completely like identify. Even if I'm just getting that one thought, sir. Even they do 80%, it is good. They might not do 100% perfectly. At least that 80% will help me, right? So I can just spend that. Instead of spending like 3 hours on that task, see, in spending half an hour to just like again look at the things, right? So they'll do it. And also, I go as you said, no, sir. Like, so first time they might not get, second time they might not get, 100th time they might get. After that, it is infinite times. It is automatically taken care, kind of thing.
Yes,
So
we are not required to do that.
yes, yes.
The time they are going to take care.
Yes, sir. So I think that is very good. I'm just following that recently in all that the way of thinking got changed. Yeah.
So clear for you people. What is the first action item? What is the first action item? Find your biggest how problem. Okay, spend some time. Do you have any such type of problem? You are not required to worry because you are not required to do everything on yourself. So there is a right who is there. Identify that right who. This is the first action item what you have. Maybe connected with you. If it is connected with you, okay, just take that.